Genesis AI has unveiled Eno on June 16th as its first general-purpose robot. It is built as a minimalist, wheeled tower with dual dexterous arms rising from an articulated base. Eno's body design is one of the smartest and most practical parts of the whole robot. Instead of one solid column, it is built from several large, flat panel-like segments. The joints can straighten the tower to make Eno taller or angle the sections to lean the upper body forward, sideways, or lower the arms for tabletop work. Furthermore, the true magic is in its hands. Featuring an astonishing 22 degrees of freedom, these highly dexterous hands are back-drivable, making them completely safe to operate around humans. Genesis also integrated miniature onboard cameras and tactile sensors directly into the hands themselves. This means Eno can literally see and feel exactly what it is touching in real time, giving it the millimeter precision required to do things most robots would not even attempt. At its heart, Eno is an agentic system, an AI agent and a general-purpose robot fused into one. Powered by Genesis's Gene 26.5 foundation model, it does not just follow scripted commands. It reasons, plans, adapts on the fly, remembers context, and owns the entire outcome of a task. Give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps, handles surprises in the messy real world, and gets it done. This is physical intelligence that feels almost alive in how it interacts with objects and environments. As for availability, Genesis AI is currently operating via a waitlist and plans to begin targeted customer deployments by the end of 2026.